In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Cash App card to Google Pay. If you want a faster and more convenient way to make purchases with your phone, adding your Cash App card to Google Pay is a great option. The process is simple, and once it's set up, you can use your device for quick contactless payments anywhere Google Pay is accepted. To get started, open the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and that your Cash App card is already active, since this setup works through the card section of the app. It also helps to have your phone nearby and unlocked so you can move through any approval screens without interruption. Once you're inside Cash App, tap the Card tab. This is the rectangle-shaped icon located at the bottom of the screen. This section is where you manage features related to your Cash App card, including card settings, customization options, and wallet connections. If you don't immediately see the option you need, just give the screen a quick look and make sure you're on the correct tab before moving on. From there, tap Add to Google Pay. This option starts the connection between your Cash App card and your Google Pay wallet. When you select it, Cash App will guide you into the setup process so the card can be added securely. Depending on your device, Google Pay may open automatically, or the prompts may appear directly within Cash App first. Now follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your information and accept the terms. This part is important because it verifies that your card details are correct and that you agree to the conditions for using the card with Google Pay. Read through each screen carefully, then approve or continue as needed. In some cases, your phone may ask for an additional verification step, such as screen lock confirmation or another security check. That's normal and helps protect your account. After you complete the prompts, your Cash App card should be added to Google Pay and ready to use. If it doesn't appear right away, give the app a moment to finish syncing, then check your Google Pay wallet again. You may also want to make sure your phone's software and apps are up to date if anything seems delayed, and that's it. Once your Cash App card is connected, you'll be able to use Google Pay for a smoother checkout experience straight from your phone.